What's up, YouTube? It's gonna be a sort of fun day today, hopefully. Got word that they are working on a car at the shop, so we're gonna go check it out. Maybe if we got time, we're gonna come back and do a little bit of stuff on Mr. Rogers here at our shop. So might as well go ahead and head to the shop, see it. If you've watched any of my videos, you've seen this car before. They finally sort of have it done, but I think they may be switching the transmission in it. I could be wrong, but the first go around in the car, they popped the head gasket. No fun. Let's just go check it out and see what's going on, and hopefully have us a nice race car filled day. Wife and child went to Target, of course, because that's where every woman between the ages of 20 and 30 go on Saturdays. They're gonna go have them some fun, and I'm sticking around the house today because I'm exhausted after the Christmas and these holidays. It's been a little bit tough. We've had a lot of work come in, and so that's it. Let's go see what we're gonna do today. It is a little bit chilly, nothing crazy, like 40 degrees, something like that, which is pretty nice, but there is a good wind going. Let's hop up in the Power Stroke and go check out on some race cars. Chase cars all day. Be good. Alright, here we go. Alright, so what we got here, Kenny?
Budget build, baby.
GT40, pretty much 302.
Yeah.
Pretty much an Explorer 302 with a cam, lunati cam, and an On3 Turbo. What injectors you got in here?
Well, they were supposed to be Bosch, still pissed off, got ripped off.
Well, I mean, do you know what poundage?
They're 60 pounders.
60 pounds.
So
you got a 255?
Yeah, I got a 340 pump in it, Walboro. We were gonna go E85, but I don't have enough injectors, so
60 pound injectors aren't enough, really?
I don't know, probably not, probably maxing them out, but we'll figure it out.
Got that one spot in it there. I'm in here with a harness bar. What do you think? This is how we die.
Yeah.
Currently. So we finished out the day getting this man a... What we got over here?
Shh, secrets.
Secrets. Secret sauce.
That's for George Bush.
Let's look at this engine bay here. Give us a light on some engine bay here. Woo! Explorer. Explorer ain't got no top end now. Oh, I'll just say what it was. Whoops. Nice. That's one way to do it. It didn't take that long, did it? Did it, Jimbo?
No.
Jim Monster.
So. Heck yeah. We're going to outrun Jeremy this year.
We'll go what?
We're going with what?
I didn't hear you. Look at this guy. Freaking Luke Bryan wannabe right here. Is it Luke Bryan or Eric Church?
Jason Aldean tonight.
Jason Aldean? That's what I thought. So it may be sort of anti-Second Amendment. We can run into Dick's. What did you just do?
Thought I broke my phone.
Did you break it?
No, that's good. But I was scared.
Oh gosh. Jimmy stayed inside. He said he was anti-Dicks. So we're gonna get us some. I'm gonna get a Guggen bait or see if I can. Let's go see if we can find it. Here. Booyah. Yes. Bro, I am buying these simply because of the internet. I mean, let's be honest. Because I never. They do. Right down there, some Whopper Poppers. Heck yeah. Or you look like you need to go buy like a
Yeti head or a Yeti cooler.
something.
Go put my Instagram name on my diesel truck.
You definitely look like you have a stack out to bed.
We can make that happen.
All right, let's see what we can.
Yeet.
We got us some Guggen baits that we're not going to use probably next year at all. Maybe.
We're going fishing.
We're going fishing at some point.
We'll go at least twice because we went once this year.
There you go. He locked us out. All right, so let's end this video out. We blew up a C4 transmission. We bought a GT40 Explorer intake. Got some Guggen baits. Jimmy got some pizza. We checked out some guitars.
Y'all got some Mexican.
I ate some Mexican. Jimmy got some chicken tenders at Mexican that are actually pretty legit, pretty good. And that's about it. That was a pretty race car filled day. Pretty excited. Bro is flying.
The whole time y'all were inside, him and a Dodge were sitting out here bouncing them off the rev limiter the entire time. They seen Levi walk in and it was like mating call or something.
They were
yelling.
Levi was the yee to their yeet.
I was the yeet to their haw.
Oh man, that's gonna about wrap it up. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We got more content coming soon. Hopefully some race car action like today. Peace out, Girl Scout.